Charlie traffic, 12 to 1 o'clock, 8 miles, opposite direction, Cherokee 3500 climbing.
05 Charlie, be looking for traffic.
Cherokee 700.
Alright guys, welcome aboard. Just joining us in the later parts of our flight into Havana, Cuba. We're just ascending through 9,000 feet at this time on the entry to arrival onto runway 06 into Jose Marti, which is the international airport here. The Q&A she just gave us is 1019. So with my handy dandy conversion chart that equals out to 3009 on the altimeter. Always sure to catch some footage on camera as well on my phone. This is my first time landing in Cuba, single pilot in this airplane.
Victor Sierra Terminal.
Go ahead for 66 here.
Do you need vectors to lose altitude?
We should be alright for 6 Victor Sierra. I mean, you can give us some delaying vectors if you like.
Okay, right turn heading 180.
180, 66 here.
Correct.
Made it!
Aeroflow 150, next to intercept the localizer 5 miles from Havana, you are contact tower 18.1.
5 miles, tower 18.1, Aeroflow 150.
Happy landing.
Sueña.
Okay.
Okay.
Victor Sierra, now resume on nav direct Jens, cleared ILS approach runway 06.
Alright, cleared now direct to Jans, cleared ILS runway 06, 66 here.
Correct, descend 2000.
Altitude 66 here.
I'm just going to activate direct chat. Final approach course was 059. And I got the airport in sight out here. This country is beautiful. I'll give it that.
Chancellor 6 Victor Sierra, joining the localizer, 9 miles from Havana, we are contact Marti Tower, frequency 118.1. Happy landing.
18.1, thanks. Muchas gracias para ayuda. And buen día, 66 here.
Hello.
Havana Tower, good, well, sir, buen dia, Chancellor, November 86 Victor Sierra with you, ILS runway 6.
November 86 Victor Sierra, Madrid Tower, good morning, QNH 1019, continued approach, runway 06.
101, continue approach, Chancellor 86 Victor Sierra.
Correct.
Alright, we're visual on glide slope. Let the speed drop back a little bit.
Aeroflow 150, vacate via Echo, hold before Alpha, and contact ground 121.9.
Okay, to Echo and before Alpha 121.9, Aeroflow 150, good day.
Correct, good day to you. '86 Victor Sierra Tower, wind 050 degrees, 10 knots, clear to land, runway 06.
Copy the winds, clear land, runway 06, Chancellor, November 86 Victor Sierra.
Correct.
Alright, that's 515, and now we're coming flaps 30. Gears down, 3 green, no red. Oh, you could just see all the Russian Ilyushin airplanes.
'86 Victor Sierra, vacate via Charlie, nets at your left. Hold before Alpha and contact ground 121.9.
Alright, vacate at Charlie, hold short of Alpha and contact ground 0.9, Chancellor, November 86 Victor Sierra, buen dia.
Buen día.
Havana ground. Windy, Chancellor November 86 Victor Sierra is clearing onto Charlie, short of Alpha for, I believe, the general aviation ramp.
November 86 Victor Sierra ground, taxi to apron 5 via Alpha to your left.
All right, apron 5 via Alpha, Chancellor 86 Victor Sierra.